welcome back. Welcome to Beauty in the Garden. I am planting up, in today's video, you guys, is some more beautiful brassicas. I am getting ready for the fall. I hope you guys are too. Now I am going to show you exactly what I have going on inside my wheelbarrow. So right here in the wheelbarrow down below here is a 50-50 blend with compost and topsoil mixed in with just a little bit of perlite. But like I showed you guys before, we're going to be using the Dollar Tree bins. Now these bins will help you sift your soil. Go ahead and make your own sifter, but I think it's just so much easier for me to just go ahead and use Dollar Tree bins. Okay, there are two of these bins right here, you guys, that I basically kind of made sure that they're spaced differently so that I can just sift my soil. So right here is pre-moistened soil. Pre-moistened soil is soil that holds together but not dripping wet. So this is what you want. But we're going to go ahead and take these sticks out of this soil, okay? Now they do have sometimes some sticks, sometimes rocks and things like that. That is in our soil. So we're going to remove that. So we're going to put it into our basket just like this. All right. As you guys can see here. Now I have here is my 50 cell tray. This is an old succulent tray that is repurposed that I did get from a big box store for free. And underneath I just have a sheet pan just to catch my soil and as well to use it for a water reservoir. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to shake my soil. Taking out all of the sticks. And when you guys, I'm telling you, it's a bunch. All right, look at those big chunks, okay? We're gonna just drop that back and we're just gonna keep sifting till our tray is filled. Look at that, huge. Now we don't want to throw that away. We can always put it into our gardens or inside our composter. So be right back once I'm finishing up. All right, so we're done. The most exciting part is over, sifting our soil. All right, so now you guys, we're going to be planting. All right, you guys, so what we're going to be planting now is our cauliflower. Now, before we even jump into this, does anybody know where I can get some cheddar cauliflower seeds? And if you guys have some, I have my address below. If you guys have a little extra to send me some cauliflower cheddar. It's a yellow cauliflower that I really want to plant. And guys, they're all sold out. I cannot find them. So, but yes, I have a address down below for those cheddar cauliflower seeds, okay? But let's go ahead and jump into this video. So we're gonna be planting up snowball eggs. I like the snowball eggs. It's just a really nice sized cauliflower. It always does pretty good, you guys, here in zone AA. It does really good. Well, for me, it has done really well. So, all right, you guys, ain't that much seeds in here, so I'm glad that I'm not gonna overdo it. Can't overdo it. It's not that many in here. All right, so what we're gonna be doing again, we're gonna be using our eraser, you guys, 1/4 of an inch with the cauliflower as well. So what we're gonna be doing is taking our eraser and making our holes. And like I said before, it actually takes the guesswork out of worrying. Rather not you're planting your seeds too deep, okay? I'm kind of thinking right now, should I plant? How many cauliflowers should I plant? Last year I planted up just maybe 12. So I think I'm just gonna hit it with the 15 again. 15 plants. All right, so I think that'll be all right. 15, yeah, 15. All right, we're gonna do 15. 15 of the Snowball X. That sounds good. 15 of the Snowball X. So let's put our seeds in here. It's not that many. Like I said, it's not that many in this pack. I didn't pay much for it, so I'm not gonna complain about that. All right, so we're gonna put it on number 2 as well. We're gonna pop 1 seed per hole. We're gonna try to save our money as much as we can. Ooh, and you guys, I automatically just did that, right? All right, there we go. So we're gonna pop in 1 seed per hole. You guys, I'm working out the kinks on this, okay? I don't know how it would do with like really small seeds, like maybe herb seeds. Some herb seeds are super duper small, you guys. And our flower seeds, some of those are really small as well. But we're gonna test it out. Why not? Why not test it out and see how good it works? But so far so good. I actually like it. All right. So if I don't get full germination with this, which is okay, if I don't, I planted more than I wanted to. Now, if you want to make sure that your seeds actually germinate well, if you want to make sure that you get a better chance of each cell, is by popping 2 seeds in. But you guys, I've been overdoing it. Every year I tell myself not to do it, and you guys, I do it. I will plant so many more seeds than I should, and then once they all start to grow, I don't want to throw them away. And I know I ain't the only one that has this problem with not wanting to throw away our starts. So I know, because they're doing so good, you just can't throw it away. That's me. And so this is actually helping out a lot with me not being, you know, because if 2 seeds actually germinated, you guys, I'm going to divide it and I'm going to end up with more plants. I can't throw it away. I can't throw it away. So this is actually helping by just me just doing 1 seed. Because if I start dividing out my cells, I'm going to divide them out and I'm not going to throw it away. So 1 seed, if it germinates, if it doesn't, then you know, hey, we're all good. We're all good because it's just 1 and not 3. Because if it's 3 in there, you guys, I'm going to take it out. I'm going to take it out and I'm going to pop it all 3 somewhere else. So yeah. All right. So we got those planted. So we have those planted. And that, you guys, was the cauliflower Snowball X. Now I am, like I said, using Venetian blinds, old Venetian blinds that just dry rotted from the sun, and I'm just going to repurpose them. So this was the Snowball X. All right, cauliflower here. All right, so we have that planted. Now on to the next variety. So the next variety that I end up finding was the purple of Sicily. Ain't that pretty? It's so gorgeous, you guys. Now I really want to get my hands on the cheddar, you guys. So if you guys can find me the cheddar, I'll be happy. So, but isn't this gorgeous too? This is gorgeous too. So let's go ahead and pop this one in. I actually need to go ahead and put the other cauliflower seeds back. Yep. It wasn't many, but I'm not gonna put those away. All right. Put that to the side. All right, so we're gonna pop this in. Ooh, it's not many seeds in there. Wow, 25, you guys. Only 25 of these. So I gotta be real careful with that, right? It's only 25 in there. Yeah, so we're gonna be real careful with those, okay? All right, so here we go. We got 25 of those. We don't want to waste any of those, okay? So we're gonna do 15 of those as well. So we're gonna do 15 of those as well. Oh, that was nice. It's just like rolled out, y'all. Alright. No extras. We're not wasting anything, you guys. We're not wasting anything, are we? y'all let me know in the comments, have you guys started? I know some of you guys have already commented and let me know that y'all are on the roll to getting our gardens going. I'm excited for y'all. I'm excited. I could talk plants all day though. I could talk plants all day. Love it. I love it. I have so many plans sometimes. A little bit too much sometimes. A little bit too much, guys. Too much. Sometimes I get so excited. It's every year I do the same thing. Kid you not. Get super excited. Start planting a little bit too much. So, all right. So now you guys, we have all of those planted. That was a purple of Sicily cauliflower that we have planted. It did come with only 25 seeds, so be mindful not to waste your seeds, okay? All right, so we got the purple of Sicily that we have, okay, that we have planted. Now what we're gonna do is collapse the holes, pinch them closed. We wanna make sure our seeds have contact with soil. Irie, what are you doing? All right, so we wanna make sure our seeds have contact with the soil. And now you guys, I'm gonna take the Miracle Grow sprayer. There is no fertilizer in this sprayer, it's just water, just to water the seeds in, okay? I mean, this is just awesome, y'all. It's like never fails. It never fails. It's just how exciting, how quick this is using a automatic sprayer. All right, so that is it, you guys. We just planted up in today's video is the cauliflower. We planted up the purple of Sicily and we planted up the snowball eggs. Now the purple of Sicily cauliflower, it says this is a heirloom striking addition to any garden. Absolutely true. It's just beautiful. Bright purple in color with large 2 to 3 pounded head. Once cooked, the purple head will turn green. All right, it says this variety is loaded with vitamins and minerals, which gives it a sweet, delicate flavor, natural insect repellent. So yes, we have here, okay, we have that one. And then this one here is just the snowball eggs. They've said that it is delicious, nutritious, raw, cooked, and have high vitamins A content. So we have some beautiful things that's going to be growing in our gardens. So everybody get ready for your fall and winter gardens, because I'm going to be back, you guys, again with going ahead and planting up more of our veggies for our fall and winter crops. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I do upload a video. So we have our sales planted, you guys, and I know you guys see I do have some additional spaces. So I will be coming back very, very soon on planting those up. So stay tuned to that next video. But like I always tell you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification so you can be notified when I do upload a video. And remember, there's beauty in everyone's garden. And bye-bye for now. Bye-bye, you guys. Until next time.